In the United States, more than half of the workforce, an astonishing 55%, doesn't have access to adequate workers' compensation benefits. Now, that's a statistic that should make us sit up and take notice. The system of workers' compensation in America has been under scrutiny for a long time. A series of cuts in state workers' compensation systems have led to inadequate benefits for those who need it the most, our injured workers. This raises the question, is it time for increased federal oversight? In the year 1972, a presidential commission made several recommendations to improve the workers' compensation system. Many of these recommendations, however, have fallen by the wayside, leading to the current state of affairs. Today, the debate continues. Should we increase federal oversight or maintain state control? It's a complex issue with no easy answers. The gig economy complicates matters even further. With the rise of independent contractors, who often find themselves misclassified and without benefits, the need for a comprehensive solution becomes even more critical. The insurance and employer communities have their perspectives. They argue that increased federal oversight could lead to unnecessary bureaucracy and hinder the flexibility of the states. On the other hand, public health advocates counter that without federal oversight, states may continue to cut benefits, leaving injured workers in the lurch. It's a delicate balance, isn't it? On one hand, we have the need for a robust and fair system that protects the rights of our workers. On the other, we have the need to maintain the autonomy of the states and ensure that the system remains efficient and adaptable. In this discussion, it's essential to remember that at the heart of the issue are the workers. The people who build our homes, serve our meals, teach our children, and do so much more. They deserve a system that looks out for them when they're injured on the job. So, where do we go from here? Well, it's clear that a balanced approach is needed, one that takes into account the needs of the workers, the concerns of the employers and insurers, and the recommendations of the 1972 Presidential Commission. In the coming weeks and months, this debate will continue, and as it does, it's crucial to keep in mind the people at the center of it all, our workers. Because without them, our economy, our society, indeed our very way of life, wouldn't be possible. So, as we ponder the state of workers' compensation in America, let us remember that the ultimate goal is to create a system that is fair, efficient, and above all, protective of the rights and well-being of our workers. Because they, after all, are the backbone of our nation.